Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to activate the GTA Plus free trial from GTA 6 pre-order. Code redeem your bonus month. So first, for PlayStation 5 users, open the store, then turn on your PS5 and launch the PlayStation Store. Now access menu. Select the three dots icon located in the top right corner next to the shopping cart. Then enter code. You can click redeem code, enter your 12-digit pre-order voucher code and select redeem. Now the activation free trial. So find the GTA Plus 1 month promotional trial tire in the store. Now marked as free and confirm the checkout. So number 2, for Xbox Series X and S. So open the store and press the Xbox button on the controller and select the Microsoft Store app. Now open sidebar. So press the view button, two square are open the left side menu, then enter the code. So select redeem, input your 25 character pre-order code and select check code. Now claim offer. Confirm the pop-up notification to add the free 30 days membership credit to the profile. Now the number 3, critical offer rules and deadlines. So the first one, code expire. Pre-order digital code must be redeemed before the promotional deadline on March 31, 2027 for PS5 or within 180 days of purchase of Xbox. Next, payment info required. So even though the trial is free, the $0, both Sony and Microsoft require a valid credit card or PayPal account linked to your profile to successfully activate the trial. Next one, stackable credit. If you are an active member, redeeming the voucher will instant extend your next recurring bill date by 30 days. And the last, prevent the supervised charge. Turn off auto renewal immediately. The free trial automatically turns into a paid recurring subscription of $7.99 per month. Once the 30 days end, you can safely turn off auto billing right after redeeming the code. You will still keep the full 30 days of benefit. So on PS5 you can go to settings, then user and account, then click on account, then payment and subscription and then click on subscriptions. Now select GTA Plus and select turn off auto renewal. For Xbox users, go to settings, then click on account, now click on subscription. Now select GTA Plus and select manage and choose turn off recurring billing. So goodbye and thanks for watching.